Hello everyone, this is Abhimanyu Kasliwal from Choice, and today we will be discussing about Grasim Industries Q1FY23 result update. So, Grasim Industries showed strong performance in the VSF and chemical segments, and it also showed good capacity additions in the cement subsidiary UltraTech, which have together well positioned the company financially to harness its paints business potential. Grasim Q1 FY23 standalone revenues were up 93% YOY to an all-time high of rupees 72530 million. EBITDA was up 69% YOY to rupees 13640 million, while PAT came in at rupees 8136 million, up 76% YOY and up 66% sequentially. The VSF and VSY business reported revenues of rupees 43,000 million, up 104% YOY and up by 14% sequentially. Blended realization came in at rupees 197 per kiloton, up by 76% YOY and up by 10% sequentially. On the back of strong domestic demand, Grasim's chemical business reported revenue of rupees 27330 million, up by 90% YOY and up by 10% sequentially, as the Chlor-Alkali business reported best quarterly EBITDA as caustic soda prices remain elevated, driven by higher global prices, weak INR and a stable demand. On a consolidated basis, we see all subsidiaries also performing well. UltraTech Limited, the cement subsidiary, is working on increasing capacity from current 153 million tons per annum to 200 million tons per annum, using both organic and inorganic means to grow. As going forward, management expects urban housing to continue picking up as unsold housing inventory is at a record low and number of new project launches is also on the rise. This will benefit cement demand and improve capacity utilization for UltraTech Limited. Grasim has also announced foray into B2B e-commerce platform for building materials. This strong financial performance has equipped Grasim with the ability to foray with full force into the capital-intensive yet high-margin paints business, in which Grasim's 10,000 crore project execution is on track with commencement of civil work at 4 of its 6 planned sites. However, whilst we are optimistic of the long-term prospects of the company, we expect the new paints business to take time to get established, and rising interest rates may impact growth adversely. Hence, we value Grasim on a SOTP basis to arrive at a target price of rupees 1802. Grasim's standalone business has been ascribed a value of rupees 697 per share, and after ascribing a 50% holding company discount, the investments are totaling up to rupees 1105 per share, and hence we maintain our ad rating. This price of rupees 1802 is offering an upside of 12.5% from current share prices. In conclusion, we ascribe a target price of rupees 1802 to Grasim and have an ad rating on the stock. For more such updates, please like, share and subscribe.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.